What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to bead roll your intercooler pipes without a bead roller. So what you're seeing here are two bead rolls done from whichever factory these parts came out of. This one is Treadstone and this is, I believe, CX Racing. So this here was a little test piece I did, and I know it looks rough here, but if you look in, say, this area here, if you do it right, it comes out actually decent looking, and it will not hurt performance at all. So I want to show you on this fresh piece. So if you don't already have crimping pliers in your toolbox, so here, this is what they look like. And what you're interested in is the back portion here with this half dome shape and the half I guess crescent shape above it. So what you're gonna do is, for these pliers, I'm not sure what brand they are, try and figure this out for you guys. Ideal. Let's see if you can read that. There you go. So what you do is, with the half moon pointing up, put that on the inside of the pipe. Okay, put it as far back as it'll go, just like that, and bite down. Not with heavy pressure, with medium pressure, and you're gonna get a little bump like that. Actually, this needs a little more. There we go. So here's our first bite, and I'm gonna go right next to it. Same thing, medium pressure, and just rinse and repeat. So go back in this area, and it does not deform the pipe very much compared to a normal bead roll. Highly recommend it. I seen another YouTube video where the guy actually cut the front half off of this. For these pliers specifically, it's not necessary, and it leaves you with a nice proper bead. There you go. As you can see, this is not a bad looking bead roll by any means, and yes, I do realize the finish here is a little rough, only because I did chop this off with the angle grinder, and I just deburred it real quick with a razor blade. The proper way to do it would be a Dremel sanding wheel. Make this nice and smooth so you have no burrs or nothing cutting your silicone couplers. But as you can see, it's very close to a factory bead roll. There you have it. I actually did this to the Accord. That's where this piece came out of. I trimmed the intercooler pipe because it was a little too long, because it's meant for a CD chassis Accord. And this was my guinea pig piece, which is why the bead is so damn high. But give it medium pressure, it's damn near identical. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe this will save you a few bucks, because bead rollers are quite expensive. Thanks for watching.